We are Nifty Thrifty Girl, and this video is going to feature a Singer Model 201-2. The -2, of course, specifies the potted motor. This machine does not have a belt. It is direct drive. It is in good cosmetic condition. The decals are very nice. The paint is just starting to crackle underneath the clear coat back on the back side, but it has not yet broke the surface. Still a very nice looking machine. Of course, it is a straight stitch only with true reverse feed, built-in light, bobbin winder on the wheel, and it does have feed dog drop, and you have to do that underneath the machine. It does have a little bit of paint wear right here on the edge. Was in a cabinet, so that's probably made by lifting it out of the cabinet and putting it back. It's a Class 66 machine. It uses low shank attachments and 15x1 needles. It does come with the original box of accessories, and a PDF copy of the instruction manual will be sent to you after purchase. It's tabletop ready, or it will install into any Singer cabinet or carrying case. Excellent working condition. I believe the 201 will use up to a size 21 needle. I'd have to check the manual, but I think the 15 and the 201 use up to a 21. Fully serviced, delivered to you, ready to go. Reverse. As I said, it is a true reverse feed machine. We're going to sew through a Levi's pocket, which includes seams and the whole deal, using a size 16 needle. Right over the seams. And we'll do that again. And 3 layers of leather. And these machines are not industrial machines. They're not industrial strength machines. They are heavy-duty domestic machines that are all metal. And as you can see, it will work on leather and thicker fabrics, but they are not meant to do this all day, every day, like an industrial machine is. The Singer 201 will sew layers of denim, layers of leather, and it will sew a smooth seam on just 2 layers. And that is the Singer 201-2 with potted motor. All steel direct drive machine.